Today at Holy Cross Catholic Secondary School, 38 teams of high school students have come to compete in the St. Catherine's VEX Robotics Championship.
It's a robotics competition that allows students to build robots and compete in a game, showing off their skills in science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. The overall goal of today is to qualify teams for the provincial championships, and then from there, teams are able to move on to the world championships.
And what are you hoping to see in today's competition?
Well, personally, as an engineer and as a parent, I love to see the kids growing. I like to see the development that's happened through the year of the individual teams, of the competition. I like to see the level of competition through the year building and to see that the kids are learning, and hopefully they're going to become engineers that I can recruit someday.
The things that are going to separate a winning team from a losing team today are how well they use all the motors on their robot. So there's actually a limitation that the robots can only have 10 motors on them. So they have a limited amount of power. But besides motors, they're able to utilize pneumatics. So the teams that are actually utilizing pneumatics are able to throw those large beach balls across the field in a single swoop, and that's a change of over 5 points in score per beach ball, making it a landslide when teams can optimize these skills.
Teams have come from near and far to test their robotics skills here at Holy Cross.
Well, back in Bermuda, our VEX competition, we're mainly the only school in Bermuda who's doing VEX. Bermuda has a population of 60,000. There's not many there. So we're the only team from Bermuda who does VEX, and there's then no competitions, so we came all the way down here to compete.
And has your school been in this competition before?
Our school, this is our first year competing in VEX. We have competed in Lego Robotics before, though.
And what are you expecting in today's competition?
We're expecting about mid-pack around there with our robot. Yeah.
This tournament might have 4 or 5 robots that might end up at Worlds. Well, at Worlds you've got the best from all of the local tournaments. So Worlds is like what the finals here are going to be like, except all the time.
And how many years have you been in the competition?
This is my 4th year with the VEX Robotics competition. I started when I was in grade 9. Now I'm in grade 12. It's been a lot of fun. It's a good challenge. I've learned a lot over the course of those 4 years.
Holy Cross was well represented today with 5 teams competing.
It's a good experience for me because I want to go into mechanical engineering when I grow older, so it's a good experience for me.
And how much preparation has gone into this competition?
There's been a lot of preparation, like just us. We've worked on our robots in September, like every day after school for like 2 hours. And then later it took like a couple of days just to set up this venue.
Why has Holy Cross been chosen to host this competition for the past 4 years?
We've been chosen to host this competition because we do well. We've actually been to the World Championships every single year. So for the past 5 years we've been there. We're hoping we make it on this year to the World Championships again. And it's an outstanding accomplishment just to get there. The World Championships host 500 of the best teams from across the world. And when I say across the world, I'm talking 26 countries, over 10,000 teams competing. So to get there is an outstanding achievement.
If past competitions are any indicator, the Niagara region will definitely have a strong presence at the upcoming provincial championships. From St. Catherine's reporting for The Source, I'm Mitchell Glass.